Now, another thing I want to show you that goes along with alternate print, and it's in the screen template, and this is a new feature that's just recently been added in the latest version. If you look at this screen, there you can't really see it too well. It's dotted line around here. I don't know how well you can see that, but in the add up here, if you click add and you choose output, then you define a space on the screen that Darkroom would insert the template chosen as the preview. Okay, did that make sense? So a lot of times people will add photos, like for example, they'll do this right here, and they'll add a photo and put it over here as a preview. Okay, so that as the photos are taken, it'll insert them over there and they can see the photos that are taken as a preview. But using the add output, I'm going to delete that one. Using the add output now, you can just define an area on the screen, and if you see right here, there's a little dotted line. It's kind of hard to see right around there, but a little dotted line that defines that area. Let me see if I move this over. You can see that any better. Yeah, there you go. So on that black it shows up better, but you can see where I have an area defined where Darkroom is going to insert the selected 2x6 template in that space right there. So if you used, say, a horizontal 4x6 template, it would fit it within this space and it'd be a little smaller. A 2x6 would just about fill that space. So I'm going to get out of this and go back, and we're going to run a session so you can see all that in operation. So I'm going to click right here and start a session. I don't have a printer. Okay, so there's my start screen, and there's that good looking guy right there in my sample photo. I'm going to click start session, and oh, wait a second. That works better if you turn it on. Oh, I had it set to the end of the session. I'm going to change it to the first. Okay, so here we go. There's my simulated live view. I start the session by clicking on the button, and then it pops up and asks me which which one of these I want to choose from. So let's pick that one right there. So you see there, it inserted the preview of that photo, so that as they're taken, it fills in over there, and so then you see the actual template that they choose right there on the screen. I'll let that cycle through the whole thing, and then we'll try a different template the next time around. So there. How about that? Okay. Now I'm going to do another session and choose a different template this time so you can see how that works as well. So if I do that, and here's my selector again, I'm going to choose a different template. Wait a minute. It showed the same one. Start again. Okay. There we go. So it shows that template this time. So this output added to the screen lets you show the template that is selected as a preview on the screen. And that's a new feature that was just added in the latest version. Okay? All right, let that finish. I'm going to cycle back out of that. Okay.